Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. So you are welcome to First Aid Immigrant Solution. In case if you've not subscribed, I beg una hit the subscribe button. So that's una hit the subscribe button. So that one go to give me energy to do more. God bless you. So not be say we know everything finish. So with the year we just be like una servant. Anything we una tell us say no una do, now we go do. So una will be my viewer. So we subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll be my oga. So my topic for today now, family cohesion. Family cohesion, now it alone they call coesione familiare. Some people they now their husband get document, their wife not get, or their wife get document, their husband not get. And how you fit give the other one? The only thing where you fit give the other one now, if the man they work and he get house. So those other things what you need to know concerning this coesione familiare. Now go come suffer the breakdown small. This law don't tell where this law dey. And if you want to go check Italian Article 29 for Consolidated Immigration Act, now they for bring this cohesion familiare come say if Italian person or any family member where he dey Italy, when one of them get document, the other one not get, and you want bring them together, whether they call family cohesion. So you fit give the other one document. Now, if the person will get document for inside get work and he get house. So may I start to the break and small as the thing dey for the law. It talks say the person will get document for inside, at least one of them for inside the family members must get document. And the person must still dey work. So the only people where they don't require work and house now people where get political asylum and subsidiary. If you know say you get those two permit of stay, you don't need house or working contract. Those two people they fit give their husband or their wife permit of stay without if they don't require any house contract. All you need to do now to carry your wife, you marry him regularly, whether they call registry or common marriage. If you not marry him regularly, your wife or your husband regularly, you know if you do it here they talk. So because not be boyfriend and girlfriend they talk about the law now, something that has to do with family reunion. So if your pikin still there Italian territory where they less than 18 years and he still find himself here, the officer use this family cohesion still give him paper. So this family cohesion, so now I want to try to explain. So if any of your members of family they outside Italy or outside Europe, you need what they call nulla osta, which is document where prefectura or where government will give you, where you can tell you say he give you right or he give you the authority may you take bring your family member come for outside Italy. So but this one now I know they talk about that one. This one they already dey Italy. You don't need nulla osta. You don't need right for government say you want give your pikin document because they already dey here. All you need to do be say if you get permit of stay, whether they call working permit of stay or normal permit of stay or permanent permit of stay, all you need you not to get work where you know say go fit take care of your family. So it is advisable say may you get work on Reddit where you go fit carry the family to where you fit give am the paper. So if you get insufficient income where you go fit carry the family and you still get suitable accommodation, this suitable accommodation say your house big enough where you go fit carry 2 person or depends on the numbers of the family where you get. So like for 2 people now, if you get house where be 45 square meter, you fit carry 2 people, you fit use that one, fit manage and take give your wife or your husband document. And you fit still give somebody where still get permit of stay, like those people where their wife get belle. If you know say if your wife not get document, if you get belle, you fit ask this document where your wife will fit take treatment before you born. And if you don't born until your pikin will reach 6 months of age, the officer give am this document. So if you want convert am from that one to this family cohesion, no let that document first expire. Before the document expire, now just to get this document wey I wan list out, so the person go get suitable accommodation wey they call house. So where you go fit take talk say na this house now I go put my wife or my husband. So then you go still get sufficient income wey they call Reddit for the year, where you go see fit carry 2 person or more. Then you go still get certificate of family relationship. This certificate of family relationship be say, now be say if na your pikin you want give document, you get birth certificate. But if na your wife, you supposed to get marriage certificate, whether they call legally married year, where people they call common marriage or registry. If you don't do all those ones, you fit use am to give any other of your member where you not get. And this document, you fit see by yourself carry and go police station. You go Sportello Unico, go apply for yourself if you get any of these documents where I don't talk since. But if you not fit say you dey fear, you no want go, you fit see go through lawyer. But this one be not need any third party, because each questora sometimes they still get their own law. But this law dey everywhere for Italy. And if you say you want see go check whether this law dey, you see go see am for Article 29, and then you for see am for Consolidate Immigrant Law. So what of those people where they stay with Italian citizen? If they stay with Italian citizen, una never marry, una just they live together. The man thought say, or the woman thought say, you they stay in house, whether they call hospitality. So they not fee deport that person go house according to Italian law at 19. So, but the only way where the fit deport that person go house now if he do anything where that they call crime, so or anything against the law of the land, now you go fit face deportation. But if you not do anything like crime, if you stay with Italian person and you get right to do to stay in Italy as well. Then another law where I would still like to talk about in my next video, which is Article 31, where if the two couple not get document, how they want to get document. And that one you go follow me for my YouTube channel, so that anytime where I still do that video, you'll see the way the thing still dey function. So make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. I still remain una boy, una servant, where you come dey give una the latest information wey still dey happen for Italian territory and Europe at large. Una thank you very much. Una take listen to me to the end of this video. Una bye bye.